Hello, I wanted to create a quick tutorial for you and your student to help access different things that you will need remotely. So the first thing that I wanted to talk about was making sure that you could log into your student's Gmail account. So I've just typed in gmail.com, and your student's Gmail is going to be their last name and then their first name. So for example, for me it would be Gillespie Amy. And then it will be at jsd117.org. Okay, so that's what their email is going to be. And then when you click on next, mine's not going to ask for a password because that's not a real account, but if it was, you would have a place for your password. Your student's password for Gmail is the same as their password that they use every day at school when they log onto their Chromebook. It's going to be something like 29003247. Okay, so it's going to have a format like that. If you really are struggling and your student can't remember, get in touch with me or your child's teacher and we'll let you know. Okay, and then I wanted to show you, once you do get into your Gmail account, you're going to have a couple of things. One of them I wanted to show you was what an invitation to Google Meets would look like. So there will be an invitation for Google Meets, and that is how I will meet with your student to do a one-on-one lesson. And it will have something like this in the email, and you can click right on the link there, and it will join the Google Meet. It will tell you the date, it will tell you the time, and then you can join the Google Meet. The other thing that you will have inside of there is you will have an invitation to my Google Classroom. And it will have an invitation code, and when you accept that invitation, it's going to take you right here. So this is my digital classroom, and this is a place where I can share links with you and push out assignments and things like that. You're also going to find that I have linked in here a website, and when you click on that website, I have a whole variety of other things that you can use in here. So as you take a look, you can click and you can read a little bit about me. You can watch a video that would be me introducing myself. You can click on digital resources, and I've actually included some books on a bookshelf that you could read. And then I've included some links where you can do some other reading and writing activities. So those are all things that you will find when you go in my Google Classroom. And again, the invitation to my Google Classroom will be in your student's Gmail. So make sure that you get into that Gmail account. That is where you find the links for Google Meets, and that's where you also are going to find the links for my Google Classroom. As always, you can contact me with questions at agillespie@jsd117.org. Have a great day.